Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting immediate access to the router interface and the physical setup. Power the unit, connect a laptop via Ethernet or the default 4G/5G SSID and open 192.168.1.1 or the PLDT app. Enter admin credentials printed on the sticker. Change the admin password now for security. Once logged in, check firmware version and signal mode so you know whether the unit is in 5 GHz mode or mixed mode, which affects range versus speed. Now configure the 5 GHz network so you get fast, reliable wireless. In wireless settings, switch the 5 GHz radio on, give it a clear SSID like home name 5G, and pick a channel. Use lower 5G channels if many neighbors are nearby. Choose 80 MHz for max throughput only when interference is low, otherwise use 40 MHz. Set security to WPA2/WPA3 and a strong passphrase. Make sure to save and reboot the router so client devices detect the new 5G network properly. Finish by connecting your phone, laptop, and smart devices to the new 5G SSID and verify speed against the wired baseline. This tells you if wireless is the limiter. If range is poor, raise the router, avoid obstructions, or switch channels. Enable Co-S to prioritize streaming or gaming devices. If the 5G band refuses to appear, do a factory reset and reconfigure, but first check for ISP outages. If problems persist, document error messages and contact PLDT support with firmware and model details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.